Picture the late 1800s in America. Cities glowing, machines roaring, ideas moving faster than horses.
But the true magic of electric power was still waiting. Lighting one street is cool. Powering a whole nation? That's the real leap.
Picture this. Cities are booming. Bigger, louder, more crowded every day. Here's the problem. Steam engines were monsters. They ran on smoke, soot, and heat. And that's fine outside.
Tamales calientes, los mejores tamales aquí.
Ojalá lleguemos a tiempo.
And then it happened. Electricity went underground. The first electric subways were born, carving tunnels through earth.
And it didn't stop in the city. Massive electric locomotives began pulling heavy loads across the country.
The age of steam was making way for the hum of electricity. And it didn't just upgrade trains. Thanks for watching. If you want more fast history like this, hit subscribe.